Navigating the maze of home insurance, we're here to help you understand the ins and outs, starting with the essentials. Today, we're diving into the often overlooked world of homeowners insurance, what it covers, what it doesn't, and how to make sure you're adequately protected. First, a crucial element, understanding what dwelling coverage means. It typically covers the structure of your home, as well as attached structures, like a garage. This coverage often extends to detached structures on your property, like a shed or a fence. But what about your personal belongings? Personal property coverage steps in to safeguard your furniture, appliances, and other valuables. In the event of covered perils, is essential to understand your policy's limits and whether you have enough coverage. Then, there's loss of use coverage. This can help with living expenses if your home becomes uninhabitable due to a covered loss. However, it's important to know what isn't covered. Most policies exclude damage from floods and earthquakes, although you could get a separate policy. Another thing to consider: the difference between actual cash value and replacement cost coverage. Actual cash value considers depreciation, while replacement cost pays for the new. Finally, familiarize yourself with deductibles, the amount you pay out of pocket before your insurance kicks in. Choose an amount that aligns with your budget and consult with your insurance provider. So, what does homeowners insurance cover, and what doesn't? It covers your dwelling, personal belongings, the living expenses. Make sure you have flood and earthquake coverage. Now, you can confidently assess whether your policy adequately protects your home. Remember, subscribe and like this video.